Fogatti tankless water heaters are built to deliver instant hot water, but like any appliance, they can run into issues. If you suddenly have no hot water, begin with the basics. Make sure the unit has power, confirm the gas supply is properly connected, and check that water lines are secure with no leaks. Then look at the display for error codes. An E1 code usually means ignition failure, E2 points to flame detection issues, and E6 warns of overheating that needs quick attention. Codes related to inlet or outlet temperature probes signal sensor problems. If your water temperature keeps changing, mineral buildup could be the cause, so descaling the unit and cleaning filters can restore steady heating. For ignition problems, verify gas pressure, clear blocked vents, and inspect the igniter for wear. If you notice a brief burst of cold water before it turns hot, that's the cold water sandwich effect, which can often be fixed by adjusting flow or installing a mixing valve. Keeping proper water pressure and correct gas line sizing is essential for smooth performance. Annual professional servicing, along with routine maintenance, will help your heater run efficiently and extend its lifespan.